Picture this, you're a leasing consultant. You show up, you're fired up, you've got a great tour in store for your prospect. You've picked out the perfect unit for them. They show up, you've got a positive attitude, you greet them properly, you recap the current situation, and you show them the ideal apartment. Then at the end, when you get ready to close, they tell you this, you know, looks great, but I need to think about it. Oh, nothing gets more frustrating than those words, I need to think about it. Well, today I want to give you some magical words that are going to help you, and they're not grab them by the throat and say, what do you need to think about? But it's close. It's going to get you where you need to be. Hey everybody, I'm Matt Easton, your friend in Leasing and Life, and I'm also the founder of Leasing University. And today I want to talk about some magic words that you can use to soften the situation, but to still get clarity when your prospect says, yeah, I need to think about it.
If you're struggling to get leases, it's most likely not your location, it's not your amenities, and it's not your price. It's your sales training. If you've been made to sit through a boring class or unrealistic online training, and you're not getting the skills that you need to work with renters, to help you handle their objections, and to make sure you close the lease and rent the apartment, well, that ends today with Leasing University. Our simple, fun, and exciting step-by-step online training and live events will give you the skills and confidence that you need to lease 7 times more apartments. Earn your Certified Leasing Consultant Credential in less than 30 days with Leasing University. Simply click on the link to get started and head over to leasinguniversity.com now to start your training.
Here's what's going on. I don't believe that that prospect owes you a direct answer of, you know what, I really want the apartment or I really don't want the apartment. But if you've done your job, if you've worked your best as a leasing consultant, if you've taken all your Leasing University training and given them the greatest tour, I think they owe you a little bit more than just, I need to think about it. Unfortunately, we can't be rude and obnoxious and say, tell me what it is you want to think about, because I'm an expert. I'm a leasing consultant. I know everything there is to know about the apartment community. If you just tell me what you're thinking, I can probably help you with that answer. It's rude, it's obnoxious, it's forceful, and it's exactly what we all want to say. So that's when I took some time and I thought about it. There's some magic words that you can use that are going to basically allow you to ask that direct type of question, but you're going to be able to soften it. And those words are, just out of curiosity. I want you to think about this. The next time you tour a prospect, you show the unit, you build value, you overcome their objections, and they say, I need to think about it. I want you to agree. I understand. Just out of curiosity, what exactly is it that you would like to think about? Just out of curiosity, tell me a little bit about where you're going with that. What do you need to think about? By asking, by stating just out of curiosity, what you're doing is you're softening that. Tell me what it is you need to think about, but you're asking the same question. You're just asking it in a much more collaborative way. Just out of curiosity, what is it exactly that you need to think about? Is it the apartment or is it the price? Just out of curiosity, what is it exactly that you want to think about? Because I think we've got the perfect apartment for you. This is going to put you in a position to win. This is going to put you in the best position for them to say, well, you know, it's the fact that it's on the ground floor, or I'm just not so crazy about a 1-year lease. Do you have a short-term lease? The most important thing is that you, as a professional leasing consultant, find out before they leave what it is exactly they're going to think about, because they're not an expert. They're not a leasing consultant. They don't understand real estate. They don't understand apartments. So you've got to find a way to ask them what it is that they're thinking about so that they tell you. And I've discovered, just adding, you know, just out of curiosity, what exactly is it that you want to think about that's going to get you that information and is going to help put you in a position to be that consultative leasing consultant. I hope that helps. I want you to try it the next time somebody says to you, I need to think about it. Hey, and until the next video, be great and get those leases. I encourage you, please subscribe to this channel. Subscribe to this channel. It's full of actionable, great tips for leasing consultants. And if you haven't already, if you're not a student of Leasing University, I encourage you to go over to leasinguniversity.com. It is the #1 leasing consultant training platform in the world. I'll see you over there. I'll be over there over at leasinguniversity.com. Be great, everybody.
500 of the top property management companies work with Leasing University. We conduct 100 live apartment leasing training events per year. We help our clients sign over 100,000 additional leases per year, adding $2 billion to their revenue. Leasing consultants that have access to Leasing University lease 7 times more apartments than the rest of the industry. Leasing University is new. Leasing University is game-changing, and Leasing University will get you 7 times more leases. Listen, the apartment industry has changed. The way people rent apartments today is totally different than it was yesterday. Today's renter has more access to information, and they've got more choices in apartments than they've ever had before. If you're struggling to get leases, it's most likely not your location, it's not your amenities, and it's not your price. It's your sales training. If you've been made to sit through a boring class or unrealistic online training, and you're not getting the skills that you need to work with renters, to help you handle their objections, and to make sure you close the lease and rent the apartment, well, that ends today with Leasing University. Our simple, fun, and exciting step-by-step online training and live events will give you the skills and confidence that you need to lease 7 times more apartments. Earn your Certified Leasing Consultant Credential in less than 30 days with Leasing University. Simply click on the link to get started and head over to leasinguniversity.com now to start your training.